Right. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, class.
Morning, sir.
How are you today?
Fine, sir.
Very good,
Very
sir.
good. So welcome back to our English class. So today we'll be talking about reading comprehension. So we'll be talking or reviewing questions. Okay, so and I expect that everyone here will be active, even proactive, answering and commenting or sharing the ideas. Okay, right. Before we start, let's recite Al-Basmalah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, here is the questions. All right. So previous week, the previous week we were talking. We had two questions done already, or two passages done already. So now we have still have three questions to go. And before we go to the question, I'd like to remind you our learning purposes or learning objective. So you will be able to identify the detailed information of the text, detailed information and general information. And then you will be able to state what the text implies. Implies mean what does the text mean? Yeah, or what can you conclude from the text? And then you also will be able to state the older view of the ideas or the text, state the author's view or ideas about the text or about the information. And the next is to identify general information of the text. Right, so let's start. Okay. Here you go. Okay, so we go to number 3. So I want everyone. So last week I told you how to answer the questions. Yeah, you should not go to the reading, but you have to go to the question first. Read the question, understand the question, and then read the options. Okay, now I'd like to invite one or two of you to read. If you like to answer at once, you can answer. So everyone has 1 minute while your friend is reading the text and the questions. When you try to understand and try to answer the questions. Okay, so I'd like to invite one or two of you, please. Please read the question and then the options, and now we will discuss. From there, we will discuss the solution. Okay, who will do number 3? Please. Who?
Syahrul, sir.
Who?
Syahrul, sir.
Syahrul, your volume is too low, Syahrul. Can you add more your volume?
Okay, sir.
I hardly hear your voice.
Now, sir?
Okay, it's better. Okay, right. So please now read the question number 3.
Okay, sir. Over the past 115 years.
No, read the question first, Syahrul. Read the question first.
Number 3. The author is primarily concerned with.
Okay. The author is primarily concerned with. Okay. Right. So the option?
A. The record-breaking weather events and temperature extremes. B. The Evert and Fed Trump's presidency. C. The climate report. The climate report released by the White House. D. The decision taken by U.S. delegation in the Climate Change Conference. E. United Nations Annual Climate Conference in Paris.
In Paris. Okay, right. So let's understand before you go to the answer. Before you decide to answer this question, let's try to understand the question. Okay, the author is primarily concerned with. What does it mean, concern? What do you understand the question? Or in other phrase, how could you How could you restate the question? How could you restate the question?
In my
Dengan kata
opinion,
lain, bagaimana ini memahami pertanyaan ini?
the topic, sir, the topic of this text.
Is it the topic of the text? Nah, you can say concern here. You can say focus. Yeah, the author is primarily focus on the text. Fokusnya kemana? Apa sih yang dibicarakan fokus? Writer is about what? Yeah, what does the author focus? Yeah, focus. Yeah, focus on what is the writer here? You understand?
Yes, sir.
The concern here, or he pay attention to what, or he focus on what? Yeah, understand? Right. So number 3, the option A, the record breaking weather, not weather, but weather events and temperature extremes. You understand? The record breaking weather. The record breaking weather events and temperature extremes. Do you understand that point? Paham nggak ini? A. The record breaking weather events and temperature extreme.
Kayak catatan cuaca ekstrim gitu, sir.
Yeah, it is like a report ya, a report of breaking of weather event and temperature extreme. Kayak laporan gitu ya, laporan tentang kejadian-kejadian yang berkenaan dengan cuaca dan temperatur yang ekstrim. Ya. So you have to understand every option ya. Oh, ini laporan tentang kejadian yang berkenaan dengan cuaca dan temperatur yang ekstrim. Oke. Okay. So okay, you have to make a note of that ya. Does the author concerned about that point or not? And then B, the effort and faith trumps presidency. You understand? The effort, what does it mean effort here?
Usaha.
Usaha dan faith trump presidency.
Nasib Presiden Donald Trump.
Ya, usaha dan nasib kepresidenan Trump. Is it about the effort and the fate of Trump's presidency? Yeah, make a note of that. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
C. The climate, not climate, but climate. Yeah.
Laporan yang
Climate report released by the White House. What does it mean? What do you understand about this?
laporan yang dirilis di Gedung Putih.
Ya, laporan iklim ya, laporan iklim yang dikeluarkan oleh Gedung Putih. Is it about that or not? So you will understand when you read the text now and later. D, the decision taken by US delegation in the climate change conference. I think you understand option D ya, keputusan yang diambil oleh delegasi Amerika Serikat dalam konferensi perubahan iklim ya. And then E, the United Nations Annual Climate Conference in Paris. Yeah, what does it mean annual here? You understand what does it mean annual here?
Tahunan, sir.
Yeah, tahunan. Yeah, what does it mean? The United Nation. You know what does it mean? United Nation? PBB. PBB ya. PBB. Jadi konferensi tahunan tentang climate, tentang iklim yang diadakan oleh PBB di Paris. So now we understand every option and also we understand the question. Now let's try to read. Okay, so now Sahrul did it already. So now I'm inviting other students to read the text. Will you read the text, please? Anyone? Come on. Who will read? Please read the text. I'm inviting the volunteer here.
Me, sir.
Who?
Septia, sir.
Okay, Septia, please.
Over the past 115 years, global average temperature have increased 1.8 degrees Fahrenheit. leading to record-breaking weather events and temperature extreme, the report says. The global long-term warming trend is unambiguous, it says, and there is no convincing alternative explanation
Convincing, ya. Convincing.
that any convincing alternative explanation that anything other than humans, the cars we drive, the power plants we operate, the forests we destroy are to blame.
Okay, right. So you have to decide the main idea of the first paragraph. What is the first paragraph talking about? Ya, that is very important ya. Karena kalau misalkan kita mencari fokus daripada writer itu, ya kita harus mengambilnya juga mulai dari biasanya itu akan terdapat poin awalnya itu di first paragraph. So what is the first paragraph talking about? Ya, ngapain nih? First paragraph talking about what? Ya,
Suhu rata-rata yang ekstrim meningkat, so.
Ya, kesimpulannya dia tentang apa ini? Tentang apa? Tentang apa dia? Ya, laporan tadi ya. It's about the increase, the average temperatures, the increase of the temperature 1 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay? Ini menyatakan tentang keadaan cuaca. Bagaimana sih keadaan cuaca? Apa yang terjadi? Yes, ini kayak pembukaan. This is like introduction. What is going on? What is happening actually? What is happening? The temperatures is increasing. The weather events, yeah. The weather events and temperature extreme, ya. Ini menyatakan tentang laporan cuaca yang meningkat ekstrim, ya, temperatur yang meningkat ya secara ekstrim. Okay, so now second paragraph. Continue, please, Septia. Please continue. Go ahead.
The report was approved for release by the White House, but the findings come as the Trump administration is dividing its climate change policies.
Kebijaksanaannya policies itu ya.
The United Nations convenes its annual climate change conference next week in Bonn, Germany, and the American delegation is expected to face harsh criticism over President Trump's decision to walk away from the 195 nation Paris Climate Accord, and top administration officials state doubts about the causes and impacts of a warming planet.
Okay, jadi ngomong apa ini? Second paragraph talking about what? Yo, ada yang bisa? Anybody can tell what is the second paragraph talking about what?
Laporan yang disetujui dan diliris di Gedung Putih, sir.
Laporan yang di Gedung Putih. Okay, more maybe about okay. Can you add more explanation about that? Ya, yang lain? Ada yang lain? Kalau kita lihat di sini adalah sikap ya. Sikap apa? Sikap siapa? Dia tidak membicarakan lagi ini mukadimahnya, tapi dia membicarakan tentang sikap dari pemerintah Amerika Serikat, ya kan? Sikap dari pemerintah Amerika Serikat, di mana Amerika Serikat itu mendapat kritikan yang tajam, ya. Kenapa? Ya, American delegation is expected to face harsh criticism over President Trump decision to walk away. Nah, Presiden Amerika Serikat, Presiden Trump itu dia walk away, dia meninggalkan ini conference ya. Nah, dia mendapatkan kritikan. Nah, ini adalah sikap Amerika Serikat terhadap Presiden Amerika Serikat Donald Trump ya.
Kesepakatan iklim.
terhadap iklim di sini ya, perubahan iklim ini. Dan di sini adalah dia meninggalkan conference. Kalau kita lihat di the first paragraph is talking about what is happening, ya, the weather events, and then the extreme temperature or extreme temperatures that's happening at the moment. Okay, and on the third paragraph, please continue, Septia.
While there were pockets of resistance to the report in the Trump administration, according to climate scientists involved in drafting the report, there was a little appetite for knockdown fight over climate change among Mr. Trump's top advisors, who are intensely focused on passing a tax reform bill, an effort they think could determine the fate of his presidency.
Okay. Bisa nggak? Can you get the keywords from this text? Keywordnya apa dalam teks ini? What are the keywords here? Who can find the keywords here?
Climate, sir.
What? Say again? Who's that?
Climate, sir.
Climate change. And then what else? Apa lagi? Climate-nya, apa keywords-nya? Paragraph, second paragraph and then the third paragraph. There are a lot there.
Report.
Second paragraph and the third paragraph is very obvious there. What are they talking about? Yeah, America, yeah, American government, American president, or the American president, who is the American Mr. Donald Trump, yeah. He side about the climate change. Jadi kalau misalkan kita lihat cuma ada dua poinnya adalah climate change and pemerintah Amerika Serikat, terutama the president. Who is the president? Mr. Donald Trump. That is the clue. That is the keywords actually. Okay. Now we read already, and then now we go back to the option. Jadi fokusnya kira-kira which is the answer? Which is the correct answer from these five among these five options? What do you think about A? Is it A okay or not? What do you think?
Not also.
Huh?
Keseluruhan dia kalau A.
Say again. What, Sahnul? Can you repeat again?
Kalau kita pilih opsi A, dia tuh nggak keseluruhan, so itu hanya mencakup yang paragraf pertama, so.
Yeah, that's correct. Yeah, that's correct. So A is eliminated. Ya, nggak betul ya. B. B. What do you think about B?
Salah, sir.
Yes? Okay or not?
No, sir.
Why?
Karena B itu menceritakan kayak bagaimana nasib Donald Trump aja, sir.
Okay. It's not talking about the first paragraph. Okay, very good. B is eliminated. C. C.
Kalau sisa itu hanya fokus ke satu kalimat di kalimat awal di paragraf 2, so. Itu nggak mencakup keseluruhan, so.
So C is not the answer, yeah?
Yes, sir.
All right. So C is eliminated. D.
Yes, sir.
Is it the answer?
I got this, sir.
I think yes, sir.
I think. Do you think D is the answer? Why?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Because all the paragraph told about
The decision taken by U.S. delegation, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is conclude all the paragraphs. Yeah. The decision taken by U.S. delegation in the climate change conference. Okay. What about E? What is wrong with E?
Mereka hanya ngebahas tentang PBB ngadain konferensi perubahan iklim tahunan di Paris. Itu nggak ngebahas
Oke.
keseluruhan isi teks.
Tidak membahas Amerikanya ya. Tidak membahas Amerikanya ya kan?
Yes, sir.
Ya, so the point of this ini ya kalau kita lihat di sini adalah so if we can conclude once again, the text is talking about the climate change or the temperature extreme and then the weather events and about the US US government. Yeah, US government. Okay, right. So the answer is B. Yeah, that is a good answer. The best answer of this question is D. All right, good. Next, we go to the number 4 now. So again, please read the question and the option, and then we go to the reading. So number 4, who will do that? Number 4, please volunteer. Right, you just read. You just read the options. Just read the option. No one? Come on. Siapa yang mau baca? Okay, so Rani, are you there, Rani? Rani Anggraini.
Yes, sir.
Okay, please read.
A. Exposing the news about the film, then explaining its value. B. Exposing
So do you
the
understand the question? How does the author organize the passage? Do you understand the question? Paham nggak? Bisa dipahami soalnya? Ya, organized passage is the wacana, the text ya. Okay, next. Continue.
B. Exposing the reason behind the making of the film and explaining the plot. C. Explaining the purpose of the film and the target of the production. D. Describing the film and explaining the member of Dara Puspita Band. C. Describing Dara Puspita Band and explaining its next project.
Okay. Exposing the news about the film and then explaining its value. Jadi yang di-expose dulu filmnya, kemudian membicarakan tentang nilai yang ada pada film tersebut, ya, the values of the film. B. Exposing the reason behind the making of the film. Apa alasan pembuatan film itu, and then explaining the plot. Ya, and then C. Explaining the purpose of the film and the target of the producers. D. Describing the film and explaining the members of Dara Puspita Band. C, D is describing the film and explaining the members, talking about the member and describing the film. E, describing Dara Puspita Band and explaining its next project. Yeah, okay. Right, that is the option. Now we go to the text. So let me read then because of the time. Sorry. The story of Dara Puspita Indonesia, or a female band that was famous in 1960s is set to be made in the biopic by production house FP. FP producer Frederica said she believed the Surabaya-based band story deserved to be told on the screen. We think it's important, especially because that time they were the only Indonesian all-female band that performed in dozens of European cities. Frederica told the Tempo. Okay, what is the first paragraph talk about? Ini tentang apa nih paragraf pertama ini?
Tentang famousnya Dara Puspita itu, Sir.
Tentang, ya, kaitkan yang masuk di A, B, C, D, E. Kira-kira yang mana dia masuknya? The first paragraph is talking about what? A, exposing the news about the film. Apakah dia mengekspos berita tentang film? Atau B, exposing the reason behind alasan pembuatan film. C, explaining the purpose, menerangkan tentang tujuan daripada film itu. D, menggambarkan film itu, menggambarkan Dara Puspita Band.
B, sir.
Ya?
B, sir.
B, apakah di situ dia alasan pembuatan film tersebut? Apa? Di mana kamu dapat poinnya kalau itu menjadi alasan? Atau dia hanya sekedar berita Dara Puspita itu apa sih gitu?
Kalau menurut saya sir.
News berarti about the film.
Sir.
Ya.
Describing Dara Puspita band and explaining
Iya Pak
sir.
ya, A ya, A B C D A ya.
Ya,
Oke, Teguh Amri say A or A.
sir.
Hmm?
Describing Dara Puspita band and
Describing Dara Puspita band. Dia apakah dia di sini menggambarkan tentang band Dara Puspita?
Yes, sir. Di awal disebutkan tentang Dara Puspita, terus tentang rencana mereka kalau mereka itu bakalan masuk ke layar lebar gitu, sir.
Dia menggambarkan atau ini sekedar berita saja? Kalau kita lihat di sini, Dara Puspita itu adalah band perempuan terkenal ya.
Menurut saya B, Sir.
It's set to be made into a biopic by production house. Itu akan dibuat menjadi cerita biopik ya. Siapa yang akan membuat production house-nya? FP namanya. Jadi cerita itu akan dibuat dengan biopic dan rumah produksinya adalah FP. Siapa FP producer Pradika said she believed the Surabaya based band story deserved to be told on a big screen. Kalau kalau kamu bilangnya describing, is it about describing Dara Puspita di sini? Yang dia menggambarkan Dara Puspita cuma di first paragraph, first line, cuma di first line saja. Cuma di garis awal aja, di baris awal aja ya dia menggambarkan tentang Dara Puspita. Sedangkan setelahnya itu dia membicarakan tentang Pradika believe that Surabaya band story deserve to be told in the screen. We think it's important is because time they were only Indonesian all-female band and perform in dozens of cities. Apakah itu bisa digambarkan sebagai gambaran atau gimana?
Enggak.
Kalau B, siapa tadi bilang jawab B? Ini apakah alasan pembuatan film?
Iya, Sir, karena pada saat itu katanya, Sir, Dara itu ada salah satu musika yang terkenal di Eropa, Sir.
Alasannya itu alasannya. Oke, kita simpan dulu ya. Oke, next we go to the second paragraph now. The second paragraph. Dia expected to be released. Jadi rencanakan akan dirilis tahun 2020. Production house is currently still conducting research. Mereka masih melakukan research. Their story will be very inspiring. Jadi ceritanya itu akan sangat menginspirasi, kata Pradika. Who express optimism? Dia optimis the film would set a new trend in the industry. Dia optimis bahwasanya film itu akan menjadi tren baru dalam industri film. Which she said like film about local yang dia bilang katanya film tentang tema musik seperti itu sangat kurang ya. The band has reportedly given consent for the adaptation. Drummer Titi Hamzah also expressed hope the film would show the band stories and struggle. Titi Hamzah yang mengungkapkan juga benar-benar film ini akan menunjukkan cerita tentang band dan perjuangan mereka. It needs to represent what a musician's journey is like. Nah, ini akan mewakili bagaimana sih perjalanan, seperti apa perjalanan musisi itu. The journey of Dara Puspita began from 60s and early 70s. And in 65 they become opening, dan 1965 mereka become opening act of 4 legendary band Kus bersaudara under the name Irama Puspita. Among their tracks were A Go Go and Burung Kakak Tua dan Tanah Airku. So, kalau paragraf kedua, what do you think? What is it about? Kalau di paragraf kedua menceritakan tentang apa? B itu menggambarkan tentang nilai daripada film itu. B menceritakan tentang plot film itu.
Bisa B.
D membicarakan tentang target produser. D menceritakan tentang siapa aja sih anggota Dara Puspita Band. I menggambarkan tentang project berikutnya. Tadi kita garis bawahi, so we underline which one did you choose? Ada tadi yang I ya, I-N. Tadi ada yang jawab siapa aja? Ada yang bilang Syahrul, siapa? Teku ya?
Yes, sir.
I. Terus siapa lagi tadi? Ja'far?
B, sir.
B. Nah, kira-kira di B cocok apa enggak? Yang paragraf kedua itu membicarakan tentang plot. Alur cerita. Plot itu alur cerita ya.
Paragraf 2 lebih cocok B, sir. Kalau menurut saya, sir.
Gimana?
Paragraf 2 lebih cocok untuk yang opsi B, sir.
Paragraf 2
Opsi B.
B.
Karena
Plot berarti.
tentang stories dan struggle mereka gitu, sir.
This is about the plot. Do you know what does mean plot?
Jalan cerita.
Jalan cerita. Apakah di sini membicarakan jalan ceritanya?
Wait, sir.
Mana jalan ceritanya?
Just only stories and struggle, not all of the text.
Oke, ada lagi nggak? So, kalau berarti kamu berubah pikiran. Ya, Teguh Amri berubah pikiran dari tadi I. Kalau I kan tadi next project ya. Project berikutnya apa? Gitu. Berarti terbuang nih ya. Eliminated ya. Ya Teguh.
Yes, sir.
So, we do not accept E. So, do you agree with B? Dia pertama exposing the reasons behind the making of the film and then explaining the plot. Alasan pembuatan film itu apa, kemudian menerangkan jalan ceritanya bagaimana. Is it about that?
I think no, sir.
So what about other students?
In my opinion, the answer is A, sir.
E or A?
A.
Why? Syahrul.
In the first paragraph, we know that they want there is like a news about the film Dara Puspita, sir, and then the second paragraph that explaining about the value about the film, sir, because we can see in the second paragraph they the opinion they can make the story, it will inspiring, and the film will be the new in this industry, and it can be represent what the musician is. I think that is the answer, sir.
Okay, thank you Syahrul. Okay, Syahrul said this is the news ya. The first paragraph is about the news about the film, berita tentang sebuah film. Jadi kalau misalnya kita lihat ya, jadi akan ada sebuah film yang akan dirilis. Filmnya itu tentang band perempuan ya, yang terkenal di tahun 1960. Dan ceritanya itu akan dibuat dalam bentuk biopik oleh rumah produksi EP. Ya, so this is like news ya. Kalau I agree, this is kind of news ya. Ini kayak berita gitu ya kan. Kemudian and then it's released to the production house is currently still conducting research. The story will be inspiring. So kalau kita lihat di sini ya at the first line that the story will be very inspiring, and the film would set a new trend in industry, which is yang mana musik seperti itu, cerita seperti itu tidak banyak begitu. Well, I think so. If we conclude the first line in the first paragraph and then the second paragraph, and then we can see from the first line here. And I agree with Syahrul. I think it's exposing the news, and then here it's about explaining the values. Kalau kita pilih B, it's behind the reasons, the exposing the reason behind the making of the film and explaining the plot. Kalau kita, do you understand what is mean plot?
Iya, sir. Jalan cerita.
Jalan cerita, sir.
Kira-kira ini bicarakan tentang jalan cerita nggak?
Enggak, sir.
Enggak, sir.
Yang B itu menceritakan tentang jalan cerita nggak? Ceritanya nanti kalau plot itu kan cerita itu akan diambil di sini, kemudian and then it will be like this and it will be like that.
Enggak, sir. Enggak dikasih tahu sih.
Okay. So you agree with A or B?
Sir.
A, sir.
You agree with A?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then. So we choose A, yeah? But B is very close too. But I think I prefer A. So we still have one question. I think the time is over now. Okay, it's very make it short now. Yeah, which of the following can be inferred from this statement? Ya, kita cuma sini restate. There is a statement. Many people hypothesize that only alien spaceship could make such these imprints, ya, bizarre imprints. If you translate into bahasa Indonesia, ada many people, banyak orang berhipotesa atau berasumsi, berhipotesa ya, beranggapan that only alien spaceship, cuma apa namanya, alien yang bisa kapal alien, kapal luar angkasa ya, pesawat luar angkasa, pesawat alien ya, yang bisa membuat tanda atau jejak seperti ini. So from that statement, what do you understand? Banyak orang berhipotesa cuma pesawat alien yang bisa membuat tanda jejak yang aneh seperti ini. Oke. That is the point, that is the statement. Nah, so what we can infer, the meaning is conclude. Jadi kalau misalkan kita buat ini kesimpulannya bagaimana? What is the conclusion of this statement? Apa konklusi kalian? A, the phenomenon interest lots of tourists to sightsee the crops. Fenomena ini menarik banyak turis untuk melihat crops ini ya. Apa namanya, crops itu kayak perkebunan, kayak apa namanya ya, tanaman. And B, the government believes that someone was playing a big hoax. Pemerintah percaya ada orang yang menyebarkan hoax. And then C, the crop seems to have no entry or exit point. The crop tampaknya tidak punya apa namanya, jalan masuk dan juga point ya, exit point, tidak ada point jalan masuk dan keluarnya. D, most people do not believe that human are able to make crop circles. Jadi banyak orang yang beranggapan bahwasanya manusia tidak mampu membuat lingkaran crop seperti ini. And E, some great force must have come down directly from above to make the crops. Jadi, so which do you think? Kira-kira mana jawabannya ini?
Bisa.
Hah?
Bisa, D.
D. Why? Why it's D?
Karena dia mendukung tentang asumsi orang-orang, sir, tentang hipotesis orang-orang, sir. Kalau yang bisa buat itu cuma kapal ruang angkasa alien, sir. Dia manusia bisa buat itu, nggak bisa buat crop circle.
Jadi manusia tidak bisa. Ya di sini kan dibilang bahwasanya ini kan yang ini kan jejaknya ini aneh, ya cuma alien yang bisa. Artinya adalah manusia
nggak bisa
mampu membuatnya, begitu?
Yes, sir.
Ini I. Hanya kekuatan some great force, berarti ada kekuatan yang langsung datang dari atas untuk membuat seperti ini, membuat tanaman ini. Cocok Kak? Mana lebih mendekati, D apa E? D or E? I think it's D ya. Banyak orang beranggapan bahwasanya manusia tidak mampu membuat seperti ini karena dia bilang ya that only, dia ada kata only alien species ya, karena di sini disebutnya hanya makhluk luar angkasa yang bisa membuat jejak seperti ini yang aneh seperti ini. Berarti kan manusia tidak bisa ya. Okay, right. I think that's all for today. Thank you for joining the class today, and it will be continued to the next lesson. And then we close our lesson today. Baru setting alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you, sir.